Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is January 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Let's start by looking at the indices a little bit. The indices were a little bit down, so we have the Dow Jones, which is down 0.49%. We still see this support right here, and we have a double support. We have a double support if we look at the wicks like here. So this is what I see. We are at the top of this here, and stochastic is still at 60. Not too bad yet. XPX came back on support today. We have NASDAQ Composite Index. This is a little bit more concerning. So we have stochastic here under 60. So we had a little bit of a move up this week after opening quite low. And now look at this big red candle. So we have these big red candles here. Are we going to go and test 14,271? I don't know yet. And for the NASDAQ 100, the same thing. We had this channel here, and we were outside of the channel on Monday, and we climbed back pretty nicely Tuesday and Wednesday. But now today, we seem to be back to square one. So in terms of indices, things are a little bit shaky. So let's look at Tesla today. So Tesla closed down $74.66. So that's 6.75%. That's quite a reversal. We closed at 1031.56. Post-market, we are down a further 86 cents. So what happened? We have this big red candle, and look at this here. So we tried to break 1116.02. The same 1602 that stopped us yesterday. We tried to break it, and we could not break it, and the stock just went straight down. We are still above this support right here. We should not panic yet, but we are back again into this symmetrical triangle. So we came out of it on January 3rd. We came out of it yesterday. This 2-day rule to confirm a breakout is not that stupid anymore, because look at this here. We just came back down into it. Let's go see the 1-hour chart. Where's the candle of the day? So this is the first candle of the day right here. So we touched 1116.02 perfectly. And second hour, we came down and we paused on our diagonal support / resistance. We had some buying pressure right here, and stochastic was at 68. So from that point on, nothing was too bad. Nothing was too bad. Then what happened on the third hour, the third candle, we closed below, right back into it with the stochastic under 60. So this was the time to get out. This was the time to get out. You can, of course, get out at any point and take profit at any point. So you can do that. But at that point was something shaky. So something was already shaky at that point. And this is one of the reasons why I trade Tesla on the hourly chart and not on the daily chart. Because that daily chart is most of the time too late to act before really bad things happen. But on the hourly chart, I was checking it here. I had my finger on the trigger. So personally, I got out when we broke right here. I made some profit, so I am happy. And then stochastic was under 60. So even though we had this little bit of a breakout, stochastic was under 60. So the chances are that breakout would work were slim. And lo and behold, what did happen? Boom, it just went straight down. So now on the hourly chart, we have a stochastic at 5. MACD broke over bearish, and the MI also crossed over. Yeah. If you trade Tesla, trade it on the 1-hour chart. Okay, let's look at the damage now on the daily chart. So we have a stochastic at 45 on the daily. So yesterday, stochastic was at 68. Everything was fine and dandy. Now it's down to 45. This is going to be very interesting to see if this support holds. So I'm talking about 1026 approximately. So is 1026 going to hold with a stochastic at 45? RSI came below 50. DMI crossed over bearish. We had that happen. And DMI is still crossover bullish. DMI is still crossover bullish. What can I say? Very volatile times. And when times are volatile, you can go to a lower time frame. So a 1 hour time frame, a 30-minute time frame to see what is happening and to especially get out in time. So getting out in time is really important. Now we have this descending resistance that we need to think about. And we also need this 111602. So 111602 has not been broken for a while. We need to check that. And of course, we need to check this support here if the support holds. And if it does not hold, then maybe there's a nice short that we can do right here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member if you want to suggest stock for me to analyze on my special request video. I posted a post for my members in which you can specify the stock you want me to analyze tomorrow. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.